Welcome to Fascinating Animals, where we uncover the hidden stories of the wild. Today, we're diving into the secret lives of animals, those extraordinary moments of survival, emotion, and connection that most of us will never see. Get ready to witness the incredible strength and heart of creatures you thought you knew. In the wild, survival isn't just about being the fastest or the strongest. It's about resilience, intelligence, and sometimes unbelievable teamwork. Take the case of the African elephants. These magnificent creatures live in tight-knit family groups led by the matriarch. But their strength goes beyond size. When a drought strikes, these elephants don't just wander in search of water. They have an ancient memory. Researchers have found that older elephants, with their deep knowledge of the land, can lead the herd for miles to water sources only they remember. This knowledge is passed down through generations, ensuring the survival of the entire family. In a world that's constantly changing, it's their wisdom that keeps them alive. This is not just survival. It's the power of memory and family. But survival isn't the only thing that defines the lives of animals. Many creatures experience deep emotional connections, even forming friendships that defy expectation. One of the most touching examples of this is the bond between a dolphin and a dog. In 2004, a remarkable story captured the hearts of millions. A dolphin, injured and stranded on a beach in New Zealand, was discovered by a dog named Zach Ba. The dog's owner, who was a marine biologist, saw an unusual connection forming between the two. Zach stayed with the dolphin for days, guarding it, and even brought it food. The dolphin, later named Pelorus Jack, followed Zach back to the ocean once it was healed. This unlikely friendship shows the emotional depth animals are capable of, and the unexpected bonds that can form between species. Despite living in entirely different worlds, Zach and Pelorus Jack taught us that friendship and compassion aren't limited by species. In the wild, animals don't just survive. They connect, they care, and they protect one another. Sometimes, it's the power of family that makes survival possible. In the Arctic, polar bears face an unforgiving landscape, where every day is a battle against the elements. A mother polar bear and her cubs must endure harsh winters and endless days on sea ice in search of food. For the cubs, survival depends on the lessons their mother imparts. Once born, polar bear cubs are tiny and helpless, their survival entirely dependent on their mother's strength and knowledge. She teaches them how to hunt, how to travel vast distances, and most importantly, how to survive the coldest, most dangerous environment on Earth. Every species has its own secret ways of communicating, forming relationships, and ensuring the survival of the group. It's a reminder that the animal kingdom is far more complex and interconnected than we often realize. The bond between a mother and her cubs is everything, and when these families face the disappearing ice and shrinking hunting grounds due to climate change, their survival depends on not just their ability to adapt, but their unwavering loyalty to each other. As we've seen today, the secret lives of animals are filled with moments of survival, emotion, and incredible bonds. From elephants' ancient memories to the surprising friendships between dolphins and dogs, it's clear that animals experience far more than we often give them credit for. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of wildlife. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the animal kingdom.